my people? Welcome back to Wally's Welding World. I'm the WELDProfessor. If you didn't know, now you know. I appreciate you coming back. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't hit it, because you already know I'm going to be dropping more videos and coming out with them, and you need to know what I got. I got this free knowledge for you guys, and not only that, but us in the welding community, we decided to give back to the welding community, so we're going to be constantly giving back to you guys because we know you like awesome, cool stuff. And I've been waiting on a package to come, and it finally come. Why is that? Because it's amazing. Yes, so I want to get into my package with you guys, and I want to show you what it's all about, right? So I've been waiting on this package because you already know on the Instagram we was launching a giveaway, and I really wanted something awesome to really top it off for that giveaway. So I reached out to Outlaw Leather, and I asked Outlaw Leather if they wanted to participate in the giveaway. They did, and so with none less to say, what's this, Outlaw? Just kidding. That ain't it. The real prize is right here. And what this is this is a, you know, a pretty much, man, look at that. Custom made pancake by Outlaw Leather. Oh yeah, that's right. One lucky person is going to be winning this hood, man. You don't want to miss out on this. Outlaw Leather hooked it up. I appreciate you guys. I'm very honored that you wanted to give this away. Let's give it to somebody awesome. Somebody's got to win it. Is that going to be you? I don't know. So stay tuned to the details. We're going to go ahead and give this away along with all the rest of the prizes. But right now, let's go ahead and get into the giveaway that I promised I was going to give you guys last week. why you got to be entered in the giveaway, so that way you can win. Like, this is legit. And we're going to be picking more and more ways how to select you guys to win. So stay tuned. We're going to be coming away with the big giveaway now that the hood's here. And we're going to be giving it all away. There's going to be one prize winner, and he's going to walk away with all of it. So stay tuned. We're going to teach you how to be entered into the giveaway, so that way you can be in the giveaway, and that way you can win. If you're not in it, you can't win it, right? So let's get in it. Mad shout out to Outlaw Leather. Mad shout out to SoCo. If you're trying to get the dope hat and the dope shirts, you know where to go. SoCohats.com. That's what's up. And if you didn't know, this is Wally's Welding World, and I'm the Weld Professor, and I'm just here kicking the knowledge out for you guys, giving back to the welding community. If you like it, share it with your friends, guys. And if you got something to say, leave it in the comments, and I'll get back to you. Actually, in fact, if you leave something cool in the comments, I actually might be able to put you on the next video and give you a mad shout out. So you got to be in it to win it, right? Stay tuned. Until next time, guys, I'm out. Peace. Oh, and don't let me forget, guys, I want to give you guys some free stickers. So go ahead and hashtag TWP in the comments and put where you from, represent where you from. So that way I know where you're from and where I'm sending them to, because I want to give somebody some free stickers. We're giving away free stickers. So that way you can put them on your hood, your truck, your car, your welder, wherever, man. Put them wherever. We just want to give you away some free stickers. So you got to be in it to win it, man. Don't forget to hashtag TWP and where you're from. And if you didn't hit the subscribe button, what are you waiting for, man? You got to know where the next giveaway is, right? I like it. It's dope. It's little. It's precious. Did a good job, Outlaw. I like it. Thank you. Thank you, Outlaw. Can't wait for somebody to win this. Can't wait for somebody to win this. Somebody please win this. I'm blessing it.